everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. If this is your first time hearing my voice, hi, my name is Fikemi, and if you're a returning subscriber or reviewer, thank you so much for joining me once again. Now today I'm going to be talking about the Knorr MSG free chicken seasoning cubes. I have talked about the beef seasoning cube, and if you haven't caught that video, I will leave it in the description box. I got this on Jumia Nigeria as always. So if MSG free seasoning cubes is something you're interested in, then let's get right into it. Now this is the packaging. It looks exactly like the beef. I think the difference is just the picture of the chicken, I think. And yeah, all the information you need is at the back of the pack, but I will make sure to put the ingredients and the nutrition information on the screen. So this is made with natural ingredients. You see that from the ingredients, and this has no added preservatives, and it's actually it's artificial color free, and yeah, it's MSG free. Like, MSG is missing from the ingredients, which of course is a boom for some people. But before I get into what the cube is and what it looks like, this is the traditional Knorr chicken seasoning cube. I love using Knorr chicken for cooking chicken. It just has this really good taste. Now this is the 8-gram cube, but if it's one thing Knorr chicken has, is that it has individual, like, single cubes, so you don't really have to worry about, rewrapping the 8-gram cube whenever you have to use a single cube. So yeah, that's one thing Knorr chicken has over the beef that I actually like. Now this is what it looks like. If it's one thing, Knorr chicken is very rich. I have the nutritional information on the screen if that's something you're interested in. It's a very rich seasoning cube that some people do find a little bit salty, but I mean, it's packed with flavor. It has such a tender taste in your meals. Now this is the new MSG free Knorr chicken seasoning cube that's made with natural ingredients, and I think I have the same problem I had with the beef. I don't think it was properly wrapped. Like, you would see the old or the normal Knorr chicken that everybody knows, and when you compare it, or you have a side-by-side comparison with this, you understand what I'm talking about. I just feel this fell short with the Knorr wrapping that we all know. Like, this has an incomplete chicken on it, and if it's one thing, they kept with the chicken design. Now this is what the MSG free chicken seasoning cube looks like. It looks a little bit like the traditional one. I will put a side-by-side comparison so that you can see the difference. And if it's one thing, they taste almost similar, but if it's the MSG free has pepper. It's a little bit more spicy than the traditional one. And like the beef, it has more salt, less protein, and more sugar than the traditional one. So I don't know if it's to compensate for the lack of MSG. But when you're running away from salt, you don't want a saltier or a more salty seasoning cube. Yeah, but that's just me. I don't know. It tastes good. It's a good stock cube, but I feel they could have done a little bit less with the salt. So that's just it from me. Let me know if you have used these seasoning cubes, and if you are, all for the MSG free life. I will be in the comment section reading your comments, and that's just it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.